Hi, my name is Susan, and our group consists of the members myself, Annie, Shannon, and Molly. Our Parabola Project consisted of various materials, with the shiny reflective surface and even a place to hold the marshmallow has had a huge effect on the heat that the marshmallow received. As you can see, the surface is very reflective and shiny, which allows the light that hits the parabola to directly hit the focus. The smooth surface also helps the light directly hit the focus and no other spot of this parabola.
The marshmallow holder allows the marshmallow to rest without the worry of the marshmallow sliding down the toothpick due to the marshmallow melting. This definitely had a major effect and benefited our project by helping the marshmallow reach our maximum point, which was 73.7 degrees Celsius.
We chose our equation first, and we found the equation by doing some different graphs on the calculator and just seeing which one would work the best. And then we drew the graph on the cardboard by plugging it in. And after we drew the graph, we cut some of those graphs out and used it as our shape for the satellite. And when we chose the equation, we had no real size that we wanted it to be in mind. We just chose it because we thought it looked the best. And it wasn't hard to fit the size that we wanted it to be to the graph. So I think overall this worked out as the best way because ours worked out pretty well.
The design that generated the least amount of heat seemed to have crumpled tin foil and a stick. The tin foil was crumpled, causing the light to bounce off the tin foil and not hit the focus as it was meant to be, but other areas of the parabola. This would have prevented the marshmallow from heating as much as it could have. Also, the marshmallow slid down the stick, causing the marshmallow to move, which could have been a variable that affected the heating of the marshmallow itself.
The hardest part of our project was restarting it because we didn't have enough time to not procrastinate, and we had to work through 6 straight hours to finish on time. At first we thought the maximum size was supposed to be 1 foot by 1 foot, so when we constructed our dish it was really small, and then it was harder to make because the area to make it was really small, so we couldn't really make it as accurate as possible. We kind of guess between centimeters and millimeters, and then we found out it could be as big as a yard, and then we restarted. And for the small one, our marshmallow holder was too tall for the focus, so we decided to scrap the idea and start over. And the second time we made it 1 foot by 1 foot, and the area that we could build it was a lot bigger, so it was easier to build because it was more accurate.
The design matches the parabola, for we have about 27 curves put together that makes the parabola accurate and more reliable on how well the light can reflect from the sides and heat the marshmallow at the focus. To future classes, we would advise the use smooth, shiny surfaces that is able to reflect light well. Also, a structure to hold the marshmallow is something that we strongly advise and will benefit the heating of the marshmallow.
Thank you.
Bye.